morning, everybody. This is a 22 Audi Rs5. It's a low flood damage vehicle. We just got in. The vehicle does run and drive. We're actually in the process of building the vehicle right now. As you can see, it's raining outside right now. There's no sediment or water in the headlights, in the fog lamps. Do a quick walk around. Body's very clean. We pulled the interior out on it, well, partially the rug. We ordered a new rug from the dealer. We're in the process of cleaning all the modules, the contacts, replacing any modules that need to be replaced. Sanitizing the interior. We changed all the fluids, all the filters. There was no water in the engine at all. Didn't suck any water into the intake. Runs perfectly. That was just a precautionary measure. Take a look inside. We have heads-up display. So we got the interior part right now. You can see we pulled the rug out. No corrosion, no signs of rust. No smell, no odor. Panel's clean. We're going to clean all the wires, the contacts, everything in the vehicle. It'll be pretty much 100% when we're done. Post it on the website as soon as it's done. Update you on the progress of the build. Thanks for watching.